You crash in the room like a burst of light. Laugh too loud and you hug too tight. You make a mess but you make it sweet. A tiny storm dancing at my feet. You're all courage wrapped in sunny flame. A little lion who roars when things don't go his way. Your feelings rise faster than the rain, but every tear just shows your flame. You're my sweet hurricane, spinning laughter through the rain. Wild and warm and made of love, a little chaos from above. My sweet hurricane, your joy I can't explain. You feel everything in a single touch. A little heart that carries way too much. Your tears fall quick, but they fade so fast, like summer storms that never last. Your line fire lights the darkest room. Your golden roar pushes out the gloom. You break down fast, but you rise so bright. A tiny king learning how to fight. You're my sweet hurricane, spinning laughter through the rain. Wild and warm and made of love, a little chaos from above. My sweet hurricane, your joy I can't explain. You run outside with your open smile, chase your friends in the world for miles. You stumble down, then you rise again. Your sunshine wrapped in thunder then. And even when the day feels wrong, you come to me where you belong. When the noise gets loud inside your chest, come back to me and take your rest. I know your storms, I know your skies. I see the softness in your eyes. You hold my face with trembling hands, and somehow time just understands. Your lion heart beats loud and clear. It shakes the world and pulls me near. You're my sweet hurricane, turning all my gray to flame. Wild and warm and made of love, a little chaos from above. My sweet hurricane.